Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. In this video, we are decorating the Color Splash planner. So the fitness I decorate as I go. So if I get a workout done, I just wanted to test the sticker here. If I get a workout done on Tuesday the 1st, then I will put down a sticker and write in my workout, whatever I did. Otherwise, I don't decorate that part. So what we're gonna be focusing on today, and I have not done this before, but I'm very excited about it, is I want to use this page as an inspiration, positivity, kind of just like a feel good, like the happy quotes. I just want it to be a page that I kind of go to help me cheer me up and just something fun. So this is going to be something new that I'm starting right now. So I pulled out Radiate Positivity, Happy Quotes, Healthy Hero, and Fitness, because I know they both have some good positive quotes in them. Gold Star Quotes. Where's the quote sticker book? I have to go find quotes. Faith and Wellness. I found quotes too. So I think between all of those, I should be able to find some inspirational stickers and positive stickers to just to create this inspirational page. Okay, I think I found what my little theme will be. This is Gold Star Quotes. There's a little fall page in here, and I've already started my pumpkin spice everything. So I'm thinking, now I live in Florida and it is hot. It is still like 90 degrees today. But October does kind of begin fall vibes, and I think let's do just like a little fall vibes theme here. The colors kind of go with what's on the page, so I don't have to erase them as much. I love this quote here. A grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. So maybe that could be part of our little theme. This could go here. I like that. And then I have to use this pumpkin spice everything. I already have 2 flavors of pumpkin spice coffee creamer in the fridge. And then I also tried that cold cream, pumpkin cold cream, whatever it is, cold brew. That's what, pumpkin cream cold brew at Starbucks. And it's good. So I'm on the pumpkin spice everything right now. So let's put that in here somewhere. Maybe over there. I kind of like it down here, but I don't like to cover up this like color splash here. I really like that. Maybe I'll put it, because I don't think I'm really even going to use the top half of this page. I still don't know what I might use it for, but I won't be putting bill pay on here. Let me zoom in a little bit so we can kind of focus on this area. All right, I think the pumpkin's going to go over here right on this little focus sticker. Focus is pumpkin spice everything. All right, I grabbed a little coffee cup from the Basics, Planner Basics book to put here. Pumpkin spice everything. All right, I found a little orange yay sticker. So I think I'm gonna cover up this calls and emails and put yay right here. So it says, yay, pumpkin spice everything. Oops. Right, there's a big and here, and it matches that color. I think it'd be cool to put something like 2 little sayings, like something, and put that here in the middle. I think that'll be cool. I'm gonna have to find what the 2 things will be. But here's the and. All right, it's in the middle. We're committed. And we need to find something and something to go here. Okay, I found a sticker that matches and is something that I need to do, which is get more rest. So we still have to find something to go there, but my second sticker is going to be, and let yourself rest. Maybe I need like a little sleepy sticker there now, or the little eyelashes. Yeah, I'll find those eyelashes. All right, so let me see if I can find one more to put here. Okay, I found another sticker from Healthy Hero. It's kind of in our colors. it says compliment yourself. Compliment yourself and let yourself rest. Those kind of go together, so that will be my two things. I like that. Compliment yourself and let yourself rest. Let me go find those little eyelashes. Okay, Glam Girl has little eyelashes. Let's put those here. So it's like a little sleepy. I still need something to put over that bills to pay. Let's find a sticker for that. Okay, I'm just gonna put white over this bills to pay. And then I'm gonna put these two little decorative stickers here. These are from Gold Star Quotes. They kind of match this little kind of floral stuff. I think we'll get, let's see. There's a green one and this like gold color. I think we can put them together here. I don't know. Maybe not. Oh, maybe like that. It's kind of weird. Yeah, it looks really weird. It still needs something else to go there. I think I'm going to use this little reminder sticker. This is from one of those, I think it's that little extra pack. It's like a 5-page pack. I think that's what it's from, or it's from that fitness sticker book. But you can get reminder stickers all over the place. I want to put this here, reminder. Oops, it's kind of crooked. I don't know if I can fix it. It's not quite stuck on the page. Oh. Let's see if I can just get it a little bit more straight. Like that. And then I don't know about these little floral things. I kind of don't like them. Okay, I just figured out what to do with them. I'm going to cover up these two words with these little floral things. So instead of to buy, it'll have this little sprig. And then instead of errands, this will have a little sprig as well. And then as of now, oh, is that going to look bad? I'll just cover it up. As of now, I'm not planning to do anything with that part. I just wanted to have like a little fun inspiration section in my fitness planner, just for fun, and I love it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to learn how to use your daily planner to get organized, stay focused on your goals, and create a powerful plan for your life. Click the link in the description to download your free Power Plan checklist. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share it with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.